Green economies focus on energy-efficient construction and improving the efficiency of existing buildings. Well-insulated buildings and energy-efficient appliances for everyday use reduce energy consumption. Energy costs can also be reduced, and indoor air quality can be improved. The transition to a circular economy is another vital contribution to reducing pollution. Targeted waste management helps to reduce exposure to harmful chemicals and improves public health. The protection of ecosystems and biodiversity increases the quality of the natural environment, improves general access to green spaces, and has positive effects on mental health.